birds. They're beautiful. He said he paid like $2,000 for each one. I don't know. He said he got like 25 at one time he had 50. Wow.
You could always.
Yeah, the macaw is the most durable of all breeds of parrots. This very colorful one with all these beautiful colors. Man, maybe I'll invest in one. I don't know. He said I could find them on Craigslist or some bird magazine, and hopefully I can get one. They're beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy's right there. He owns the parrots right there.
Girls?
Good.
Yeah, we're closed for today, but we'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll come back.
And we offer souvenir photos. We're the only company that offers it on your camera. You know when you go anywhere.
A big camera?
Huh?
You know how to work a big camera?
Well, of course, I'm a photographer right there. Yeah. But we don't do prints anymore because all the photo labs have gone on. Yeah. And right now we're closed, girls. So.
We'll come back tomorrow.
But,
We'll come back
yeah,
tomorrow.
come on by, see us 10 to 4. I've been trying to get out of here.